Oh, look at them state road guys standing around.
What you say to a person has a big impact on how they feel, whoever you are, whoever they are. So when transportation workers like Brandon, working to learn to use the new pavers on a hot, sunny day in Taylor County, hear a word of thanks from residents like Janet, it ranks up there with benefits and holidays as the reason they work for the West Virginia Division of Highways, as a reason they do what they do and do it as well as they can.
Oh, I appreciate them, especially wearing the mask. I know that's harder because that's hard for me. So, no, I really appreciate them.
Well, the benefits, the holidays, it's nice when people notice you though. It's real nice when somebody drives by and they appreciate you and thank you, you know what I mean?
It was in bad shape and they had patched it, and that was better. But I'm really thankful when they can do the new roads.
This is why we do it. That's why we go the extra mile and make it look nice. A normal person probably couldn't do it. It is super hot. I'm sweating and I'm just standing here. It's probably 85 out right now, and it's probably about 140 behind this rig right here.
They do get to us as soon as possible. You know, in the winter, we've always had really good people that have always, even when we call, you know, they always respond. And I really appreciate it.
Well, they both got a little bit of sweat coming off of them too, so I reckon most people don't realize it. They think that we don't do nothing, but I'll tell you what, it's actually pretty tough work. You want it to look nice, take pride in what you do.